So today we'll be talking about Ark Finance. Okay. I actually made a previous video about Ark Finance. Okay. So if you've not seen that video, I will advise you to go to my channel and look out for that video about Ark Finance. Now, Ark Finance, for those that are actually seen this video for the first time about Ark Finance is actually a project, okay, a DeFi project that actually pays 2% daily, okay, to its investors. As you can see up here, you can see 2% here. And the beauty of it is that you can actually decide to compound, you can make your withdrawal, you can airdrop, okay. And I like so many measures put in place for anti-whales. Not that anti-whales whales will just come into this project and then run down the project. No, there are measures put in place to prevent whales from taking charge of this project. Okay, you can see up here. If you check up here, you can see my timer is off now because I actually have some withdrawal and compounding to make. Okay, so within every 24 hours, you're expected to take an action. Okay, the action is either you compound, you withdraw, or you airdrop. Okay, so like I rightly said, all these actions is just to keep the project going and also to prevent whales from taking over the project. Okay, so before I go forward with the video, let me quickly let me take an action on this. Okay, I'm going to take 50-50. You can see here I'm going to take 50-50. I'm going to compound 50% of this daily profits that I get. You can see my daily reward here is 5.83. And you can see my withdrawal. I'm going to take 50% withdrawal and I'm going to take 50% to compound. Okay. Now, one thing you need to know about this project is that you need to come in with BUSD. Okay. So when you come into the project with BUSD, you're going to use that BUSD to buy the ARK coin. Okay. So let me quickly do this withdrawal. Then I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that you need to know about this project. So I'm going to click on this. Okay. So when I click on this, it's going to connect with my MetaMask. So after connecting with my MetaMask, here I'm going to click on confirm. So I'm going to take this reward here. Okay. So the transaction is going to go through. Okay. And after that, my timer will continue here again. So basically, let me go down to the home and let me quickly show you something that you need to know about this project. You can see this is the home. Okay, so you can see the price of the coin, which is ARK. Okay, now it's pegged at 5.71. Okay, now, if you check here, you're going to see the liquidity. You can see the liquidity here. You can see the total vault account. Okay, you can get every information you need to get about this project here. And now, if you come down here, you can see people actually win prizes on this particular network every day. Every single day, people win. Okay. Now, how do you join this? People how do you qualify yourself to win prizes, reward on this network? You have to stick with the foundation or you get their NFT. Okay, either you stick, you go into the foundation or the NFT and you'll be qualified. At least you come into it, the foundation with 250 BUSD. Okay, if you come with 250 BUSD, then automatically you are qualified to win this. You can see people win a whole lot of prizes here. This is huge. Okay, and one thing I want you to understand about this project is this. For me, I believe this project is a project that if you want a stable kind of income in the DeFi space, this is a project I believe one should come into. I've been in it for like a month. I observed this project for like 1 month before I decided to come into the project. Okay, and I came into the project with about 240. Let me quickly show you that I came into the project with about 240 BUSD. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see here, you can see I deposited 240 BUSD here, right? And if you come up here now, you now see my principal balance is 295. So the reason why it has risen to 295 is that I have been taking profit and at the same time compounding some. So if you come down here, you see I've compounded 52.19 BUSD and I've withdrawn 60 BUSD. Okay, so that is the reason why you can see my deposited amount is different from my principal balance here. Okay, now for this principal balance, I'm expected to take 3 times 3 of it from Ark Finance, okay? So that's the reason why you see my max payout here is 885 BUSD, okay? So I'm expected to take ×3 of my principal balance. So as I keep taking withdrawal and also making compounding, my principal balance will be increasing, okay? So you see, that makes it a long-term passive income for me, okay? So meaning that every day, virtually every day, I'll be taking reward from this project, okay? So you can see the timer have started running, okay? So in the next 24 hours, I'm going to get my reward here, and I'll take my withdrawal and also compound, okay? So let me quickly also show you something. I told you about the legacy and the foundation. Here on this legacy and the foundation, you can actually make more money from here also. And also remember, you can actually make you can also win some prizes from this particular arm of Ark Finance also. Okay, so you can see this is the interface. Okay, you can see NFT held. I'm not holding any NFT. Okay, assuming I'm holding NFT here, then automatically I'll be qualified for any of those reward. And also you can see here, you can see these are all you just need to know about how you can buy any of those NFT, and you start earning every day from this. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link to this project right below this video. Okay, so everything you need to know, if you log into this project, you're going to get every information you need to know about the project. Okay, so guys, if you want to see the contract of this project, okay, you want to see how much is in the contract of this project, just come down, navigate to the end part of the project here. If you click on this contract here now, it's going to bring you here. Okay, so you can see the Ark Fi token. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the contracts. Okay, so you're going to see how much is there, the vote, you're going to see how much is there, the swap and everything. You're going to see how much is in the contract of all this also. Okay, and also if you come down and you click on this see, I encourage people to read white papers of projects that they get involved in. Okay, because when you read the white paper, you're going to understand everything you need to know about this project. So when you click on this white paper here now, it's going to bring you here where you'll be able to read everything you need to know about this project. And also, the project was actually audited by CETIC. That is one of the things that actually got me attracted to this project. When you click on this audit here, it will take you to the audit of the project. Okay, so you get to read the score of CETIC on this project. Okay, this project is something that I believe if you are somebody like me that wants passive income, this is a project for you to actually embrace. Okay, now mind you, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, just hold that at the back of your mind. I'm just actually showing you project that I'm in and project that I think are doing well. Okay, and projects some are not doing well, I will tell you. Okay, just the way it is. Okay, so if Ark Fi is something you think you want to give a thought to, okay, I will advise you to click that first link in the description of the video, and then you can jump on it. Okay, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. All right, you take care of yourself, and bye bye for now. Ciao.